Got a 2021 Volvo XC90. Okay, let's reset the maintenance reminder. Car is totally off right now, and foot off the brake. We're gonna go to engine start stop, and we're gonna do this 3 times. What we want to see on the cluster is it tell you to put your foot on the brake to start it. Okay, so foot off the brake, 1, 2, 3. Vehicle start, press brake pedal. Press and hold down the minus sign right here on the steering wheel. Now put your foot on the brake and start the car. All right, now what we're waiting to see is this eye that's right here on the cluster. As soon as it starts flashing, we're gonna let go of this button right here. Okay, let go of it. Maintenance reminder reset. You got to be pretty quick with letting go as soon as you see that thing flash. Okay, and that's it. It's pretty simple. Well, I hope the video is quick, straightforward, straight to the point. If you thought it was helpful, appreciate if you could hit the thumbs up button for me. I really would appreciate it. Hope to see you guys in another video.